Hello friends, in this video tutorial, I will show how to shrink and extend disk partition in Windows 11. Here you can see, only two disk drives show on my PC. One is C drive, and another is drive D. I need to reduce C drive capacity, and extend another drive on my PC. Go to the Manage options from this PC. Now click on Disk Management. Friends, I need to reduce C drive capacity by shrink, and create another 2 drive, D, and E. At first I delete D drive. Remember, if you have any data in D drive, then you need to back up all data to other storage. Now select C drive, and go to Shrink Volume options. I wanted to reduce C drive, size 100 GB, and extend my other drive D and E. Enter the amount of space to shrink in MB, and click on Shrink. I reduce 100 GB from C drive. After this, click on Shrink. Please wait a few seconds for reduce C drive size, and extend the unallocated drive space. After shrink C drive, we can see my unallocated drive size is increased, and C drive space is reduced. After go to the new simple volume, click Next, and type your volume size. I will try to divide a 2 drive by same storage. Click Next, Next, and Finish. You can see new volume D is created. As same as previous, select unallocated drive, and go to the new simple volume, and create a new volume E, as previous way. Another new volume E is created. Now, if you go to this PC options, then you can see, there is 3 drives showing, drive C, drive D, and E. I hope you can understand. Friends, please, subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button, for new and updated technology-related video tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and stay with us.